Welcome. Today we are looking at a classic mechanical trick, the blowout puzzle box. The challenge is simple. Remove the central wooden coin without prying, shaking or using any tools. As you can see, the coin is held securely in place. There is no way to grip it and pulling on it achieves nothing. Even if you try to shake the box, it won't get free. It seems completely locked down. The key to solving this mystery lies in the small, inconspicuous hole right here on the top. The solution is elegant. Relying only a quick puff of air, place your mouth directly over the hole and give one short, decisive breath.